We just hired a brand new cameraman. He works for a delivery company. He already gave his 2 weeks notice to quit. We're gonna make him quit the top-notch way.
We filled up the van with something that's gonna get our boy Danny in a lot of trouble.
He has no idea what's in those boxes. He just thinks it's gonna be just another regular delivery today. We're about to execute the greatest prank in the history. Light him up, light him up. Just play as a cop. It's all on you right now. Don't f this shit up.
Got one pulled over here. We got a transit. How you doing? You know I pulled you over?
I don't.
Speeding.
Sir, I was going to speed limit.
Let me see your license and registration.
Okay. I'm going to move my hands from the steering wheel. 21? I don't have the registration, sir. I don't know.
Why not?
It's not my vehicle.
Not your vehicle?
I go pick up the van, take the packages, deliver it, take it back. That's it. I have papers here, too. I'm going to reach down here. I have papers. This is where I'm supposed to take it, right here. And then also has the name of the company, Metro Route Shipping, right here.
There's been a lot of suspicious activity. It's probable cause. There's been a lot of suspicion. I don't know where you're transporting. I'll be back.
He's never been pulled over before. He was literally bragging to me about it.
Call for backup, call for backup.
I need another unit out here. Give me some backup. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle. Turn it off.
Can I have a reason why?
We're gonna search your vehicle.
You don't have a warrant or anything.
I have suspicious probable cause. Turn off the vehicle.
Okay, but why am I getting pulled out of my car?
Because you're being detained right now.
I wasn't even speeding.
You're being detained. Step out of the car and buckle your seatbelt.
She's already eating bricks.
I'm gonna detain you and put handcuffs on you. What we're gonna do is search his vehicle.
Search it for what? It's just packaging.
What I want to go ahead and do is search this van. Put him in the back of the squad car right here. All right, come and follow me.
Follow you where?
Follow me to the car. We're gonna search your van.
How many times do I have to tell you? I'm just a delivery driver.
What we got? Oh, Goker. I think we're gonna have to get the feds involved in this one. Do you know what you have in your trunk? In the van?
No. I don't know what's in those packages. I don't check them. I don't look at them. They're closed. I take them from one place to another.
If you want to continue to lie and not be straightforward with me, then you know what? It's only gonna be worse for you.
Look, officer, you can check in the front driver's seat, in the console. There's paper right there. It says the name of the company I work for, and it also says the destination I'm supposed to go. Those are legal papers over there. You can look at those.
Go ahead and get the feds. I'm gonna go ahead and call them.
Bring in the FBI. We got Hank in his here.
What do we got over here?
Possible right here in the back.
I didn't know that was in there.
Yeah, this is Special Agent Clay. We got possible.
With everything that I have with me, I swear to God, I'm innocent.
Get him out of here.
Please help me out. Please.
Come over here and talk to me, son.
I don't know what's in there. I know, bro.
What is that?
I don't know.
How long you been driving for this service?
2 years.
2 years.
Yes, I've never had a problem. I never check the packages. I just take them. They pick them up, they unload them, and I leave. That's it.
Have you showed your route to the gentleman?
What route?
Your clipboard of all these destinations that you go to.
I told him there's a paper in there with the destination I'm supposed to go to, and also the name of the company.
You have all this or whatever the it is. There's no way that you don't know about it.
I don't know what's in there. I did
Send me a
it.
flatbed. Take this thing out of here. Yep, it's pretty good stuff.
Y'all do fine.
With the sushi on us, Danny.
Talk to the actual company. I have no part in this.
No, you don't have no part after we drop you off either. You never thought to look at what you were
No, I thought it was just regular packaging. You You can open my bank account. You can see my transactions, sir. I swear to you.
Remember, our cameras are on. They're gonna remember everything you say in this car. So don't say something that you can't back up. That amount of weight
I never
came
even had a
from
problem
somewhere.
with the police.
He asked for any phone calls. You gotta deny that. He's getting transferred to the jail cell right now. We this up once, this whole shoot is over. We're gonna put him in a jail cell. He cannot go anywhere before his court hearing because the case is federal. He needs to see the judge.
Don't drop the soap, my boy.
Fresh meat, huh?
Can I call my mom?
Stop begging.
You don't seem to realize this is a real serious case. This is not state, it's federal.
But I'm just a kid, sir. I'm 18. Please, just let me call my mom.
Yeah, tell it to the judge.
Your mama can't save you, bitch.
Unlock 103. Back up.
Please.
Welcome to the
Gate 103. See the judge in 2 hours.
Get your back up against the wall.
Look, bro.
Shut the f up.
What
okay?
did I just came in here. What did I do to you?
What's gonna happen is you gonna listen and I'ma talk. Rules of the trap. You don't get this bump and you don't get this bump. You sleep on the motherfucking floor. Okay? What's your name?
Daniel.
Fuck Daniel. Okay? What you in here for?
I was just delivering packages.
What kind of packages?
This is too much work, bro. This is.
I don't know what's in them, and they just got caught. And then they found a bunch of coke.
They bound to, huh?
They found a bunch of coke back there, and then I had no idea of it, and they took me in. Do I look like a criminal?
Nah, you look like a fucking pretty boy. There's some motherfuckers over here that's gonna have real fun with you since you don't bang. And you need motherfucking protection, this is what's gonna happen. Every time you go to chow, you give me everything, all the food. You give me everything, your cornbread, all this shit, okay? Look at me. When you ask your family for commissary,
I'm not even able to call my mom.
you gonna call her and you gonna tell her to get everything I want you to get.
I just asked him. He's not even letting me call my mom.
Why the you crying?
What do you mean? I've never been to jail. It's my first time here.
This is where you sit. Right here. I'm gonna read my f***ing book, and you gonna shut the f*** up. You heard me? Did you hear me?
Yes.
Alright.
This is gonna be his exit out. Yo, I think he's gonna quit both jobs. That's
No, he's not gonna quit. He already gave his notice.
now he's gonna give us his notice.
Just have everybody ready, okay? You should be there in like 10-15 minutes. Okay, they're gonna bring him in like 15 minutes, okay? Just have the judge ready.
Hit 103. Going to court. You can ask that judge about your phone call. Stand up. It's time to go to court.
Alright, don't get the f*** up.
Stand up, inmate.
Man, get the f*** up. You ruining my sleep and
Outside.
What do you mean for?
Gate 103. Let's go.
Grab that camera right there. Jordan, let's go. Get him.
My jacket.
Bro, hurry the f up, bro. We have no time. Grab your jacket. Where's your jacket?
Department 42 of the Superior Court is now in session.
Calling the matter of the people of the state of California versus Daniel Pena. Counsel, state your appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Victoria Bennett for the people of the state of California. At approximately 2 p.m., Mr. Pena was operating a white van when he was pulled over by the San Fernando Police Department in Los Angeles County. After searching the vehicle, Officer Ramos encountered large amounts of illicit controlled substances throughout the back compartment. The evidence shows the defendant knowingly transported a significant quantity of a controlled substance packaged for sale. This was organized distribution, not personal use. The defendant was arrested and spent the night in custody prior to this hearing.
You are charged with violations of California Health and Safety Code 11352 for the transportation of a controlled substance, and the people have alleged an enhancement pursuant to Penal Code 18622. How do you plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Very well, prosecutor, you may present your exhibits.
Over 600 kilos of were recovered.
Mr. Pena, you have the right to present evidence in your defense. You may speak now.
I have no evidence to prove my innocence, but I can tell you that I've been working for Metro Route Shipping. That's the company I've been working for 2 years now. And I never had any idea of what could have been in the back of that trunk. As far as I was concerned, sir, I was just moving furniture, packages. I was just trying to make money. I'm an 18-year-old. Like, I have no reason to risk my life like that.
Your
and go
Honor,
to jail.
on the date of the arrest, we obtained a warrant to search the warehouse from which the van originated. There, we encountered larger amounts of controlled substances. This operation allowed us to seize all narcotics and arrest other perpetrators. Mr. Pena's actions fall under organized criminal activity as defined in Penal Code 18622.
The allegations before this court are extremely serious. The quantity involved, over 600 kilos, is not consistent with personal use. It indicates large-scale distribution. The court must consider the nature of the offense, the safety of the community, and any role in this operation.
It's really not fair because I have nothing to do with this organization or whatever you're saying I have to do with.
You claim you are merely a delivery driver and unaware of the contents. However, the jury has found sufficient evidence to conclude that you knowingly participated in transporting narcotics intended for sale. At 18 years old, you are legally an adult. Employment does not shield an individual from criminal liability when the conduct is unlawful. The court has reviewed trial evidence and arguments presented today. This was not a momentary lapse in judgment. This involved significant quantities, coordination, and a risk to the public.
I didn't mean to hurt anyone. I didn't mean to distribute anything. I thought I was delivering packages. I was tricked. I had no idea what was there.
Whether or not you knew it was in the van, this is a very, very serious offense. You know what? I've seen really bad people. You're not a bad kid. You just made some really wrong decisions. But you're an adult, you're 18, and you have your own will. You were delivering narcotics to an organized crime group. You delivered 600 kilos of. Do you have any idea what that means?
I get how bad that sounds, but I had no idea. I'm just the delivery
There
driver.
is no excuse for such violation. Under California law, the defendant must face charges.
Mr. Pena, the court has reviewed all evidence and the arguments made today after weighing the seriousness of this offense, the need for deterrence, and the protection of the public. It is the judgment of the court that you be committed into custody of California Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation. Ignorance is not a defense. For the distribution of large amounts of controlled substance, also we see that you've been in organized crime. Very high likelihood you will be spending the rest of your life in jail. Count 1, 15 years to life. Count 2, 15 years to life concurrent to each other without the possibility of parole. You have the right to appeal this sentence in the next 360 days. Please take the defendant into custody. Please take the defendant into custody.
Your Honor, we have 3 witnesses who would like to testify. May I call them in?
Yes, go ahead.
Welcome to the team, motherfucker.
f***ing with you. What are you feeling? What do you mean? What do you want me to feel? I told you to quit the job. I wanted to go with the style, bro. 600 pounds of cold.